Personal finance is important. It's about managing your money well. When you manage money well, you feel in control. You can reach your goals. You can have a better future. It's not always easy, but it's not about being rich. It's about making smart choices. It's about spending less than you earn. It's about planning for tomorrow. Everyone can learn to manage money. You can start today. Make a plan. Stick to it. You got this. A budget is a plan for your money. It tells your money where to go. It helps you spend less than you earn. First, track your spending. Write down everything you buy. Do this for a month. Now you see where your money goes. Next, make a list of your needs. These are things you must pay. Rent, food, and bills are needs. Then, list your wants. Wants are things you like but don't need. A budget helps you reach your goals. It helps you save money. It helps you avoid debt. It gives you peace of mind. Saving money is important. It helps you in emergencies. It helps you reach your goals. Start small. Save something every month. Open a savings account. Put money in it regularly. Don't touch it. Watch it grow over time. It feels good to have savings. Saving helps you buy things you want. It helps you retire comfortably. It gives you peace of mind. Investing is growing your money over time. You can invest in stocks or bonds. You can invest in real estate. Investing can be a little scary at first, but it is important for your future. Debt is dangerous. It keeps you from reaching your goals. Avoid credit cards. Pay off your debts as fast as you can. Set financial goals. Write them down. Make a plan to reach them. Small steps lead to big results. You can do it.